how to draw a treble clef and a bass clef. To make the treble clef, first make an umbrella handle, like a tall J. The next step, curve around in the top to the right to make kind of a squashed down letter P. The next step, keep going through that fourth line and come down and touch the bottom line. The next step is, after you make the tall J and the squashed down letter P and you cross right over here on line 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, then you make this great big looping, sort of a G shape, hit that bottom line, swirl around, come up and hit the third line. There's one more step. Make your umbrella handle, make the P, swirl around and make a G, come up, hit the third line, and finally end right here, just barely crossing over line 2. There you have a treble clef. Here's how to make the bass clef. Make a big dot. The next step, after you make the big dot, is to come from the left side of the dot up in a line to curve right around here and barely cross over line 2. Line 1, line 2. The last step is, after you make your big dot, go from the left side up, down, and do a dot here on this space and a dot there in that space. This clef here originated from the letter G. It tells you that this line here is the G above middle C. And sometimes this is also called the G clef. It's used for notes that are higher than middle C. And this originated from the letter F. If you've got some imagination, you can see how that might have happened. So sometimes this is called the F clef. And now you know how to draw the treble clef and the bass clef.